What's up, guys? Night 2, working on the shaded bay. Actually, night 3. Night 2 back to back. Out here with Kirklan.
I'm so tired. I'm on 2 hours of sleep.
2 hours of sleep, but put some more work in. See if we can get some more stuff done. So it's like what, 1 in the morning now? We're starting 12:30. It's late.
Check.
It's late. Time check.
Yeah.
What do we got? What do we got for the time check?
12:50.
12:50. So let's get her done.
Alright, so just finished sanding this side for the most part. Got the basic shape I want. Probably the last layer of Bondo glass. Now I just gotta go buy some spot putty, throw that on, sand it all down, filler primer, and then paint.
Paint's gonna be exciting when we actually get to do it, but never know.
A long time coming.
It is a long time coming. A lot of hard work.
Yep.
That's what these projects are all about. So, back to it. So, got some stuff done. What do we got?
Stuff was done.
Stuff was done.
Pretty much Bondo glass all sanded. Spot putty's ready to be applied. Just gotta clean her up a bit. We're getting there though.
We're getting there. Yeah, it's coming along. So,
It's all nice and smooth.
yeah, so it's nice and smooth. Looks pretty good. A little bit more finishing Bondo next. Now that we've got all the Bondo glass done. So, and we're on the way. So far, no welding required so far, which is pretty damn impressive for a shade bay. So
Yeah.
we're gonna see how far we can make that trend go. But I think that's it for tonight. We'll end it here for tonight. We'll bring her back next time.
Peace out.